Today we're embarking on a journey that is both heart-wrenching and eye-opening. We're going to explore the powerful and provocative insights from Gwen Olsen's book, Confessions of an RX Drug Pusher. This is not just a story, it's a call to action, a plea for change, and a testament to the devastating impact of the pharmaceutical industry on our lives. Gwen Olsen's book is a raw, unfiltered account of her 15-year career in the pharmaceutical industry. But it's not just about the industry, it's about the insidious ways in which prescription drugs have infiltrated our lives, often with devastating consequences. Gwen starts by setting the stage, explaining that her book is not a medical guide, but an autobiography and a commentary on the dysfunctional elements that plague families across generations: addiction, alcoholism, abuse, and mental illness. She reveals how excessive prescription drug use is not just a personal issue, but a societal one, contributing to the deterioration of our health, our children's minds, and the very fabric of American society. Gwen's journey is deeply personal. She never saw herself as a whistleblower or activist, but her experiences, particularly the tragic suicide of her niece, Meg, forced her to confront the harsh realities of the pharmaceutical world. Meg's story is a haunting reminder of the dangers lurking in our medicine cabinets. Despite Gwen's efforts to educate others about the perils of prescription drugs, she faced resistance and disbelief. People were unwilling to listen, paralyzed by their need to believe in a system that promises cures while holding them financially hostage. Gwen pulls back the curtain on the pharmaceutical industry, revealing its tactics and the ways it prioritizes profit over people. She describes how the industry manipulates data, downplays side effects, and uses aggressive marketing to push drugs that often do more harm than good. Gwen's own experiences as a sales rep are a case in point. She was trained to sell drugs like Haldol, even as she witnessed firsthand the debilitating side effects they caused. The industry, she says, is driven by a relentless pursuit of profit, with little regard for the human cost. The stories of Meg and others are heartbreaking. Meg's life was a testament to the chaos and instability caused by family dysfunction and the over-reliance on prescription drugs. Despite her talents and potential, she was trapped in a cycle of medication and mental health issues, ultimately leading to her tragic end. Gwen's own experiences with antidepressants further illustrate the dangers. She describes her harrowing journey through a chemically induced madness, where the drugs meant to heal her only pushed her closer to the brink. Gwen's book is a powerful plea for change. She urges us to wake up to the reality of the pharmaceutical industry and take responsibility for our own health and the health of our loved ones. She calls on doctors to stop the madness, to question the drugs they prescribe, and to consider the long-term consequences. For the rest of us, she implores us to educate ourselves, to ask questions, and to demand better from the system that is supposed to protect us. Gwen's journey eventually led her to seek alternative paths to healing. She turned away from conventional medicine and embraced therapies that focused on the mind, body, and spirit. Her experiences with chiropractic, yoga, aromatherapy, and other holistic approaches helped her reclaim her life and find a sense of peace. She emphasizes the importance of a therapeutic alliance, a relationship with a therapist built on mutual respect and trust, as a crucial healing component. Gwen's story has broader implications for society. She criticizes the stigma surrounding mental illness and the way it isolates those who suffer. She calls for a society that offers love, support, and understanding rather than judgment and discrimination. She also highlights the need for better regulation and oversight of the pharmaceutical industry, urging us to demand transparency and accountability. In conclusion, Confessions of an RX Drug Pusher is a wake-up call for all of us. It reminds us that the path to healing is not always straightforward, and the solutions we seek may not come in the form of a pill. Gwen Olsen's story is a testament to the resilience of the human spirit and the power of truth to set us free. As she says, the truth is, as human beings, we are all doing the best we can with what we have under individual circumstances. But it's up to us to demand better, to seek out the truth, and to take responsibility for our own health and well-being. Thank you for joining me on this journey. I hope Gwen's story inspires you to think critically about the role of prescription drugs in your life and to explore alternative paths to healing. Until next time, stay curious, stay informed, and remember, knowledge is power.
Visit brightlearn.ai for more fascinating videos like this one, and naturalnews.com for full editorial coverage and breaking news on critical stories that keep you informed and aware of what's really going on.